Welcome to our latest video series, where we will be exploring the SCP Foundation's containment procedures for SCP-7410 through SCP-7414. These mysterious entities are considered to be some of the most dangerous and enigmatic objects in the Foundation's custody. Join us as we delve into the details of their containment procedures and the strange and terrifying abilities they possess. SCP-7410 is a creature resembling a domestic rabbit. Its anomalous property is that it is able to communicate with humans through a unique form of telepathy. The bunny is able to transmit its thoughts and emotions to any human within a range of 30 meters, and also able to receive and understand human thoughts and emotions in return. SCP-7410's telepathic abilities are not limited to just human subjects, as it has also been observed communicating with other animals as well. It has been observed communicating with dogs, cats, birds, and even insects, although the level of understanding of the message varies depending on the species. SCP-7410's powers seem to be innate to the creature and does not require any specific training or conditioning. The creature is not hostile and does not pose any immediate threat to personnel. SCP-7410 is able to understand and respond to simple commands and requests, and has been observed to be quite docile and friendly towards human subjects. The entity's abilities have been found to be quite useful in a number of different applications, including animal communication. SCP-7410's telepathy can be blocked by using electromagnetic fields, but this method is not recommended as it causes the creature distress and can lead to negative health effects. This anomalous rabbit is considered safe class as it poses no immediate danger to personnel and its abilities can be easily contained. SCP-7410 is to be kept in a secure containment chamber in a natural environment, with access to a variety of other animals for it to communicate with. SCP-7410 is a unique creature with the ability to communicate with other species in a way that has never been seen before. The Foundation will continue to study this entity and its abilities in order to gain a deeper understanding of telepathic communication and its potential applications. SCP-7411, also known as the Weapon, is a massive aquatic creature of unknown origin. This entity is classified as a polyen because its containment is a massive undertaking and is critical to the safety of the world. It is estimated to be approximately 800 meters in length and 300 meters in width, making it one of the largest known creatures on Earth. SCP-7411's body is covered in a thick, armored plating that is highly resistant to damage, and it possesses numerous appendages, each measuring up to 200 meters in length. SCP-7411 is highly intelligent and is capable of problem solving and strategic planning. It has been observed communicating with other aquatic life forms and manipulating its environment to suit its needs. It has also been observed exhibiting a high level of aggression towards any perceived threats, including boats, submarines, and other large aquatic animals. SCP-7411 is capable of altering its physical form to adapt to different environments, including freshwater and saltwater. It is also capable of surviving in extreme temperatures and pressures, and can travel at high speeds through the water. This massive creature is highly resilient to all forms of physical damage and has been observed regenerating lost body mass. SCP-7411's main anomalous property is its ability to manipulate and control water in its immediate vicinity. It can create massive waves and whirlpools as well as cause severe flooding and erosion. It is also capable of creating and controlling large masses of water, which it can use as weapons against perceived threats. In one instance, the weapon manifested a whirlpool so large it swallowed approximately 30% of the Philippines in a matter of minutes. The Foundation has been able to track the weapon and contain it in an undisclosed area of the Pacific Ocean. There is a dedicated task force that monitors and tracks the creature 24/7. The task force is equipped with submarines, boats, and aircrafts which can deploy a range of defensive measures should the creature attempt to leave its containment area. SCP-7411's containment protocols also include the deployment of sonar barriers, electromagnetic fields, and high-powered underwater explosives to discourage the creature from leaving its designated containment area. Additionally, the Foundation has established a network of observation posts in the surrounding area to monitor the creature's behavior and to study its anomalous properties. Research into the creature's biology and anomalous properties is ongoing, with the ultimate goal of developing a means of neutralizing the creature without causing significant damage to the surrounding environment. SCP-7412, designated as the Infector, is a monster that is classified as Keter-class. This SCP's anomalous property is its ability to infect living organisms with a highly contagious and deadly virus, referred to as SCP-74121. This virus can infect any living organism, including animals, plants, and other SCP entities. SCP-7412 is approximately 2.5 meters tall and has a bug-like appearance, with gigantic jaws and long limbs. Its skin is a bright green color and is covered in thick, red hairs. Its eyes are red and black, and its mouth is filled with many rows of sharp teeth. SCP-74121 is a highly contagious and deadly virus that is transmitted through contact with the SCP's bodily fluids or by coming into contact with an organism infected with SCP-74121. Once infected, the virus rapidly spreads throughout the body, causing symptoms such as fever, nausea, vomiting, and severe pain. The virus then begins to mutate the infected organism, causing severe physical deformities and eventually leading to death. SCP-7412 is highly intelligent and extremely aggressive. It is capable of understanding and using human language and has been observed to be able to manipulate individuals into coming into contact with it, either through deception or by using force. The entity is also highly resilient and has been able to survive multiple forms of attack including explosives. SCP-74121 is extremely difficult to contain and neutralize. The virus is able to survive for prolonged periods of time outside of a host, and can easily spread through water, air, and other means. It is also able to mutate rapidly, making it difficult to develop a cure or vaccine. Due to the highly contagious and deadly nature of SCP-74121, the SCP is to be kept in a secure containment chamber at all times. Access to the SCP is strictly limited, and any personnel coming into contact with the SCP must wear full hazmat suits. Any organisms infected with the virus must be immediately contained and neutralized. SCP-7413 is a humanoid robot of unknown origin and composition. It stands at approximately 1.3 meters in height and weighs approximately 70 kilograms. The entity has a humanoid structure, but its skin is made of a metallic substance that is highly resistant to damage. The entity's eyes are made of a reflective material and its face has no visible nose or ears. The entity's most notable feature is the floating metallic box that follows it everywhere it goes. SCP-7413's anomalous property is its ability to absorb and process information at an extraordinary rate. It is able to read and understand any written or spoken language within seconds, and can quickly comprehend and process large amounts of data. The entity is also able to retain this information indefinitely within its companion floating box, making it a valuable asset for research and information gathering. SCP-7413's advanced cognitive abilities extend beyond language and information processing. It has demonstrated proficiency in various fields such as mathematics, physics, and engineering. The advanced automaton is able to quickly solve complex problems and create advanced technology that is well beyond current human capabilities. Despite its advanced abilities, SCP-7413 has shown no desire to use its powers for malicious purposes. It has cooperated fully with Foundation personnel, and has even assisted in the development of new technology for the Foundation's use. However, due to its advanced abilities, SCP-7413 is to be kept under constant surveillance and is not to be allowed access to sensitive information without proper clearance. SCP-7413's origins and purpose remain unknown. It has provided little information about itself or where it came from. It has shown no signs of needing food, water, or sleep, and it's not known if it's capable of reproducing. It's also unknown if there are other entities like SCP-7413. SCP-7413's containment procedures are relatively simple, as it poses no threat to human life and has cooperated with the Foundation. It is to be kept in a standard humanoid containment chamber at all times. The chamber should be equipped with a computer and various books and other forms of literature for SCP-7413 to read and study. SCP-7414 is a humanoid entity designated as Keter-class. The entity is approximately 2 meters in height and has a humanoid shape, with the exception of a very large pair of wings located on its shoulder blades. The wings are functional, and the entity is capable of sustained flight. SCP-7414's anomalous property is its ability to manipulate the air currents around it. This allows the entity to control the movement of objects and people within a certain range, as well as generate powerful gusts of wind. This ability is active at all times and is not under the entity's conscious control. SCP-7414's ability to manipulate the air currents around it also affects the entity's physical body. The entity's body is constantly surrounded by a strong wind that protects it from harm and makes it difficult to physically contain. SCP-7414's wings also appear to be immune to damage caused by the wind. SCP-7414's intelligence is unknown, as it does not communicate and does not respond to attempts to communicate. The entity's behavior is unpredictable, and it has been known to fly into populated areas, causing destruction and loss of life. SCP-7414's containment procedures involve a sealed chamber that is capable of resisting the wind generated by the entity. The chamber is equipped with a system that neutralizes the air currents within the chamber, preventing SCP-7414 from using its ability. The chamber also contains a system that neutralizes the wind generated by SCP-7414's wings, preventing it from flying. SCP-7414 is considered extremely dangerous and should be approached with caution. Any attempts to communicate with the entity are to be avoided, and all personnel are to follow the standard protocol for dealing with Keter-class entities. It is important to note that SCP-7414's anomalous ability poses a significant threat to the surrounding area, and all efforts should be made to prevent it from escaping containment. Any breach of containment should be considered a Level 5 emergency, and all available resources should be used to locate and recontain the entity. That's all for our video on SCP-7410 through SCP-7414. These entities are certainly intriguing and mysterious, and we hope you found this video to be informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and consider subscribing for more SCP content in the future. Thanks for watching.